Hey everyone. If you want to use Google Meet for business meetings in 2026, like client calls, team meetings, or online presentations, this video is for you. I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide. First, open Google Meet and make sure you are signed in with a professional Google account. This helps you manage meetings more effectively. Next, create a new meeting or schedule it using Google Calendar. This allows you to organize business meetings in advance. Now, copy the meeting link and share it with your team or clients. This is how participants join your meeting. After that, test your camera and microphone before starting. Clear audio and video are essential for professional communication. Next, use Present Now to share your screen. This is perfect for business reports, presentations, or proposals. Now use tools like chat, captions, and raise hand. These features help keep meetings organized and professional. After that, manage participants by muting background noise or removing distractions. This helps maintain focus during meetings. Finally, record important meetings if needed. This is useful for training, documentation, or future reference. So yeah, that's how you use Google Meet for business meetings in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can run professional online meetings confidently. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more business productivity tutorials for fast guides.